Oh hey, it's Jerry here with Jerry's Adventures. I heard it was someone's birthday. Their 7th birthday. Okay, so on this 7th birthday, here's what I'm going to do. I am going to set up 7 Munzees. It's going to be a wetland Munzee trail. And it's going to celebrate Munzee's 7th birthday. That's what I'm going to do. So here's number 1 that I'm going to go ahead and set up. Alright, Munzee, here it is. Here's number 2 on your birthday. So let me go ahead and give this a scan. There we go. Let's go ahead and make out number 2 here. And we'll get moving on to our next location. Happy birthday, Munzee. Here's number 3. Well, happy birthday again, Munzee. That's right. It's your birthday, and guess what? Beautiful wetland. And I'm going to put out Munzee number 4. Almost there. Almost reached number 7. Number 4, Munzee. Happy birthday. Number 5. Hey, you know what those berries are? I wonder if they're edible. Put them on a birthday cake. And now it's number 6. Whoosh. And there it is. Happy birthday, Munzee. Here's number 7. 7 Munzees for your 7th birthday. Hey, it's been fun. I've really enjoyed going out and finding Munzees and placing Munzees. So for your birthday, 7 Munzees placed. And with that, I'm also going to call my, what is it called? Munzee Challenge for June complete. All done. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Hey, you should subscribe to my adventures. I'm Jerry. See ya. Oh hey, what are you doing? Me? I'm making a cake for Munzee's birthday. Did you know it's her 7th birthday? It is. Make sure you go over and wish him a happy birthday.